Thanks for joining us for another 3 the Smart Way. Today I'm just going to give you a couple of cleaning hacks. So my first quick hack is to just grab your Windex and an old newspaper, spray your mirrors down, be it in the bathroom, wherever you have them in the house. Use the balled up newspaper to wipe and clean it, and you'll notice you will have a streak-free shine that is also lint-free before you know it. This one is the best. So if you have stainless steel appliances and they get greasy very often, you can simply use your Windex, also a couple of squares of Windex plus a couple of paper towels, and look how fast this grease is wiping away. You would be there all day with any other cleanser, but Windex is going to help you degrease and leave you without that sticky film on top of your stainless steel appliances. Lastly, we've all found ourselves with a garbage disposal that just pure stinks. So take some of your old oranges that are already showing some age on them, throw them in the garbage disposal, turn on the water, and wait for the scent. Well, that's all for today. Happy cleaning. Thanks for joining us.